Hello and welcome to Fun Felt Friday. My name is Veronica and I'm a library assistant with LA County Library. Today's felt rhyme is called 5 Spring Flowers. This rhyme helps children with their math skills as they count from 5 to 1. Ready? 5 spring flowers and not one more. One got picked and then there were 4. 4 spring flowers as bright as they can be. One got picked and then there were 3. 3 spring flowers grew and grew and grew. One got picked and then there were 2. 2 spring flowers sitting in the sun. One got picked and then there were 1. 1 spring flower not having so much fun. It got picked and then there were none. Good job. We hope you have enjoyed Fun Felt Friday. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Goodbye for now.